final race. Tuesday night of racing. Gates open. They're up and racing. Pivotal. Moving up. Reality show running on the out. Charlie is Strong Boy Islam Shots moving up by the rail. Then moving up now to grab the lead is Surprise Call. Surprise Call takes up the running. Precious Metal. Then on the outside Chase Charlie. Islam Shot Reality Show in between runners is Strong Boy the favorite. Moving up on the outside and comes Sweet and Gorgeous as they round the last 600. Chase Charlie is Strong Boy now throwing a challenge on the outside. Precious Metal Reality Show moving up by the rail. Islam Shots down in pip as they swing for home. Chase Charlie leading the field is Strong Boy Reality Show. Precious Metal and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Four runners fighting out for the lead. Chase Charlie Reality Show is Strong Boy, Precious Metal and Slum Shots, and with one hand Chase Charlie a long shot by about 2 lengths, and finally Chase Charlie is Strong Boy, Precious Metal, Islam Shots Reality Show, and Pivotal for your Super Sais.
11-12